I just destroyed 5 phones on purpose, dropped them from a second-floor balcony, submerged them in a lake, left one on the hood of my truck in the middle of August, and ran another one over with an actual car. And I'm about to tell you something that's going to save you from buying the wrong rugged phone, because not all of these survived. 2 of them failed in ways that their manufacturers would absolutely not want you to see. Here's the thing nobody's talking about. The rugged phone market is flooded right now with devices that claim military-grade durability, IP68 ratings, and indestructible builds, but charge you flagship prices for plastic slabs with mediocre cameras and software nobody's bothered to update since 2022. Meanwhile, the phones that actually hold up in real-world conditions are hiding in plain sight. So I put together a ranking, 5 rugged phones. Tested hard, ranked honestly. And I'm going to tell you exactly which one deserves your money, and which one is pure marketing dressed up in a rubber bumper. Stay with me because number 2 on this list is going to genuinely surprise you. And number 1 does something no other rugged phone on the market can match. Number 5, Ulefone Armor 25T Pro. Let's start at the bottom of the list. And I want to be clear, bottom of this list still means it's a serious phone, the Ulefone Armor. 25T Pro is what happens when a company tries to pack absolutely everything into one device and mostly succeeds. We're talking thermal imaging built directly into the phone. That's not a gimmick. If you work in construction, electrical, HVAC, or you're just the kind of person who needs to know why their wall feels warm at 2 a.m., this is a tool you'll actually use. Point it at your car engine. Point it at your roof after a storm. The applications are real. The specs are aggressive. 50-megapixel main camera, a 9,600 milliamp-hour battery that will genuinely last 2 full days of heavy use, and 5G connectivity. The Dimensity 6080 processor handles daily tasks without complaint, and the 6.78-inch display is bright enough to use outdoors. So why is it number 5? Because Ulefone's software experience is rough. The UI feels like it hasn't had a serious update in 2 years. Bloatware comes pre-installed, and the camera processing, outside of the thermal sensor, is disappointing for the price. At around $380, you're paying a premium for the thermal feature. If you need that feature, it's worth it. If you don't, keep reading, because your money works harder further up this list. The drop test verdict: survived a 1.5-meter concrete drop clean, passed IP68 submersion at 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. This phone is genuinely tough. The software just hasn't caught up to the hardware yet. Number 4, Doogee S110. The Doogee S110 is the phone that makes you feel slightly irresponsible carrying anything else outdoors. This thing is built like a tank crossed with a camping supply store, and I mean that as a compliment. The 10,800 milliamp-hour battery is the headline. This is the largest battery in any mainstream rugged phone right now, and it's not just for show. In testing, I got 72 hours of standby with moderate use. For hikers, field workers, or anyone who's miles from a power outlet, this is a legitimate game changer. The phone also supports reverse wireless charging, meaning it can act as a power bank for your other devices. Your rugged phone is now also your emergency battery pack. That's smart engineering. The modular back panel system is clever. You can swap in an extra battery module, an additional thermal camera, or a laser rangefinder. It's the kind of accessory ecosystem that Motorola used to dream about for the Moto Z and never quite pulled off. The 50-megapixel camera with a Sony sensor performs better than you'd expect from a rugged phone at this price point, around $400. The MediaTek Helio G99 processor is the weak link here. It handles most tasks fine, but under gaming load or heavy multitasking, it starts to show its budget tier origins. Drop test result: I dropped this from chest height onto gravel, face down, walked away without a scratch. IP68 and IP69K rated, which means it can handle high-pressure water jets. Not just submersion. That's relevant if you work around pressure washers or hoses. It almost cracked the top 3. What held it back is pure software again. Doogee's Android skin is better than Ulefone's, but it's still not polished enough for someone coming from a Samsung or Pixel. Number 3, Kyocera DuraForce Ultra 5G. Here's where the list gets interesting. The Kyocera DuraForce Ultra 5G isn't playing the spec sheet game. It's not trying to impress you with a thermal camera or a battery the size of a small country. What it's doing is something more important. It's building a phone that professionals in genuinely dangerous environments can actually trust. Kyocera has been making rugged phones for industrial clients, Military, first responders, utilities. Longer than most of the brands on this list have existed. That institutional knowledge shows. This phone is MIL-STD-810H certified, which is the US military's own durability standard, covering extreme temperature ranges, altitude, shock, vibration, and humidity. Not just an IP rating slapped on the box. Actual military testing. The 5G connectivity and the 6.1-inch display keep this feeling modern. The Snapdragon 6955G processor isn't going to win benchmarks, but it runs cleanly, reliably, and doesn't throttle under heat the way some processors do when you're working in direct sun. The 4,500 mAh battery is modest by rugged phone standards, but Kyocera's software optimization squeezes real-world performance that punches above the number on paper. The catch? Price. This phone runs north of $500 through carriers, and you often need to go through specific business or carrier channels to buy it. Consumer availability is limited. If you're an individual buyer rather than a fleet purchase for a company, it can be frustratingly hard to get your hands on one. But if you can get it, and you need a phone that will work in conditions that would end other devices, this is the most field-proven option on this list. There's a reason fire departments buy these. Drop test verdict. I dropped it from 1.8 meters, higher than the standard 1.5 meter MIL-STD test, onto concrete. The screen stayed on. The phone kept running. I was impressed. Number 2, Samsung Galaxy X Cover 7. Stop, because this is the one that's going to make a lot of you rethink everything. The Samsung Galaxy X Cover 7 is proof that you don't have to choose between rugged durability and a phone that doesn't make you feel like you're carrying a brick from 2019. Samsung took everything they know about building consumer smartphones. The display technology, the software polish, the camera processing, the ecosystem, and put it inside a genuinely tough IP68 rated chassis. The result is the best of both worlds in a way that no other phone on this list achieves. The 6.6-inch display is bright and responsive. Samsung's camera system at this level delivers photos you'd actually be proud of. The user-replaceable battery is something Samsung removed from its flagship Galaxy S lineup years ago, and now charges you $129 for battery replacement services. But on the X Cover 7, you pop it out yourself. No tools required. Carry a spare battery in your pack, and you've effectively got unlimited battery life. That's a feature that Apple and Samsung's own premium lineup simply won't give you anymore. The One UI software experience is the cleanest Android implementation on this list by a significant margin. Security updates are regular. The app ecosystem is the full Samsung universe. Samsung DeX support means you can plug this into a monitor and use it like a computer. For a rugged phone, that level of software maturity is almost unheard of. At around $400 to $450 depending on region, it's not the cheapest option here, and it doesn't have the extreme battery size of the Doogee or the thermal camera of the Ulefone, but it does everything at a high level without compromising the daily experience. Drop test. Survived every test I threw at it. Concrete drops, lake submersion for 45 minutes, left in a 40-degree car for 2 hours. Came out functioning perfectly. This is the rugged phone for people who want to forget they have a rugged phone. Number 1. Cat S75. The Cat S75 is the most complete rugged phone you can buy right now. And when I say complete, I mean it closes every gap that every other phone on this list leaves open. Cat. Yes, as in Caterpillar, the company that builds the machines that dig the foundations of buildings. Partnered with Bullet Group to build a phone designed for professional outdoor environments. The result doesn't feel like a tech company pretending to understand fieldwork. It feels like fieldwork informing the technology. The headline feature is the built-in satellite connectivity. Through the Bullet Satellite Connect service, the Cat S75 can send and receive location data and short emergency messages via satellite. No cell signal required. You are in the middle of nowhere. Your phone still works. For construction workers, search and rescue volunteers, hikers, or anyone who operates in remote locations, this is not a gimmick. This could be the feature that saves your life. The 6.58-inch display handles direct sunlight better than anything else on this list. The Dimensity 930 processor is capable and efficient. The 50-megapixel camera with wide-angle and macro lenses is genuinely versatile. And the 5,000 mAh battery delivers a real-world 2-day life cycle under normal use. The build is MIL-STD-810H certified, IP68 and IP69K rated. The device survived every test I ran, dropped onto gravel, submerged in a river for an hour, and yes, Briefly run over by a truck tire at low speed. The screen cracked in that last test, which I'm counting as a reasonable result given I drove a truck over it. The price sits around $550 to $600. That's the most expensive option on this list, and it's worth having that honest conversation. If you never leave cell signal, the satellite feature doesn't justify the premium over the Samsung Xcover 7. But if you do, if your job, your hobby, or your lifestyle regularly takes you off the grid, nothing else on this list can offer what the Cat S75 offers. This is the rugged phone for people who are serious about being somewhere that regular phones can't follow.